Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the target logo format and size because mismatched files prevent boot. Back up the original boot image and configuration now and keep a dated copy off the device. Next, enable developer or root access, then install tools like a DB and Fastboot so you can flash images. You do these steps first to avoid bricking. Once done, verify device connectivity with a DB devices and extract the current boot image so you have a working baseline. Now you extract the boot image, unpack resources, and find the existing logo asset inside the firmware container. Open your editor and replace or redesign the logo at the exact dimensions and color depth. Preserve transparency and any required alpha channel. Repack the resource payload carefully, preserving alignment and metadata. Then sign the image if the device enforces signature checks and compute a checksum to verify integrity. Make sure to test the repacked image in a safe environment before flashing to avoid repeat recoveries. You flash the new boot image using Fastboot or the device updater and keep a recovery image ready in case you need to revert. After flashing, boot the device and confirm the new logo displays. Check for artifacts, wrong scaling, or crashes during startup. If you encounter problems, restore your backup immediately. Then inspect boot logs and verify signatures, partition offsets, and file permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched signatures or wrong offsets are the most common cause, so recheck those before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.